how crucial this problem is, we decided to design a biodigester. This is a mission.
We, the innovators, have been talking about waste management in our community.
You connect your bulb to your socket so as to generate heat. Leaving it for about 48 hours, that depends on the type of biodegradable waste you have.
We have built a power solar car. In the northwest region, we discovered that there was an expense in fuel, so we decided to build a car that does not use solar, that does not use fuel.
The car functions like this. When light is heating, when the solar is, we use the solar cables and the motor. So when light energy is heated on the solar is the energy is transferred to the cable.
We're working on a regulatory system. The previous statement shows that the people of GBHS Bamendakwe need a regulatory system because it will help them to reduce the amount of money they spend on electricity and therefore help the parents financially in paying their
charging phones using solar energy.
So the problem statement is that people in the prison quarter need an phone charging system because there is preference of light. Press here and the light will get on and the light will come on. Then solar cooker. Some families and communities face the problem of constant heating of food, which may lead to a continuous of using resources such as biogas and firewood, which are expensive.
Construction paper inside, which helps to absorb the heat into the cooker, and then this fuel paper at the sides of the cooker are used to reflect the light from the sun down to the construction.
We will be representing a projector as our own project of
So today, nowadays, I've been swapping teachers, swapping to stretch up right on the ball.
In our school, GBHS Bamendakwe, we noticed that most of the teachers stress up in teaching.
Our catering title is rain detector.
Rain can be unpredictable and cause disruption to daily life if unprepared.
Demonstrate is like the detector here. So the blade here, when light rays bounces on these blades, when rain is falling.
Our project to create an MRI.
Bamenda experiences frequent power outage, averaging 790 hours annually. In the year 2024, communities like my 4 and my 2 upstation in the city of Bamenda suffered from power outage for about 6 months.
That is during the years, it has been dropping down.
Another means of generating electricity by designing a wind turbine. Our various communities face exaggerated low voltage, power outage, and blackout.
My 2 station. The population has suffered of a blackout that lasted for 1 month.
2 things, the blade at the hub down here is a gearbox.
A wind turbine converts wind energy into electrical energy.
A battery is powered by a 12-volt DC fan and a power bank of electricity.
The increase in greenhouse emissions. This plastic here serves as the atmosphere. So when you cover the greenhouse gas here, the plants here will going to increase in the growth. The plants will take less time.
projects we did was that we had a chance to implement everything we have learned in class into our projects. We had a chance to go deeper, go into more research and learn more about what we're trying to do and what we're handling. We had a chance to put in the ideas we got in class during the teachings we received from our teacher. Projects we did were stuff that I never thought could happen, but thanks to this, we now saw what was hidden in us.
My name is Daniela and I will be giving my impressions about the presentations, physics presentations we had some weeks back. I realized that it was a very good experience because I was able to learn how to work with other people, how to be able to collaborate with other people so as to bring out all our potentials to do something. I learned how to be able to use my knowledge of things I've learned in school, that's our physics knowledge, to be able to do something that will help us and help our community. For me, it was a good experience, and I even learned other things. For example, I learned how to use PowerPoint, something I did not even know. I learned how to type faster. Those are things that I would probably not have even experienced if these presentations didn't come about. So it was a very good experience, and we are really grateful to Mr. Lovett who brought about these presentations. It was a really good